The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. And right about now, I want to talk to you about a video that I'm going to show you viewers and subscribers. And this video is of a Duppy that had been caught on camera, viewers and subscribers. Yes, it says that the Duppy get caught on camera. Now, Jamaicans call it Duppy, right? And some other countries would say ghost. Some people would say spirit. You get what I mean? But we get the whole meaning that it is some paranormal activity, right? Now, this video shows of a man and his child posing for a camera, and while they were posing for the camera, it has been claimed that a ghost walked by. Yes, it has been claimed that a ghost had walked by. Now, this said to have happened in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I kind of find it somewhat hard to believe, you know what I mean? But however, I'm going to show you this video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, now bear in mind that it is a very short little piece of video, viewers and subscribers, like a little glimpse, and I'm going to slow it down so that you can have a little better look at it. Alright, is this a Duppy or is it not? Alright, take a look at it and then we'll talk some more. Observe. Now, according to what I understand behind the story, viewers and subscribers, it has been said that a man that has been known as John Brown had been living at a place that is located in Edgewater, that is of Portmore, St. Catherine, viewers and subscribers, and he has been living there for 5 years comfortably. But now he realizes that his space is being invaded by a robe-wearing ghost of a Rastaman. That's what has been said in the Jamaica Star. Now, viewers and subscribers, I only tell it to you based on how I understand it. It is not exactly word for word as to how it has been reported in the Jamaica Star. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, the main question behind this right about now, is this a real ghost or not? Is this a real Duppy or not? Whatsoever you call it, viewers and subscribers, the question we really ask is this really a paranormal activity or not? You know what I mean? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. You see?